everybody, it's Amber and I'm back with another craft fair project. Thank you so much for joining me again, and this is another project that is created by my sister Bree. So she is here for her second idea in my craft fair series this year, and it's very similar to the last one that we showed, using the same tool, the amazing, wonderful We Are Memory Keepers candy box punch board. They are so cute. They look like little candies, and you can put goodies in them. And last time we used the lip balm with the little chubby size, and this time we're going to be using nail polish. So Bree is going to do a tutorial here. Again, it's very simple, but I wanted to kind of go over some of the materials that you're going to need. So obviously you're going to need some nail polish, and the ones you're seeing here are from the Dollar Tree, 2 for $1. You can also go like on Amazon or go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx and try to find like the big variety pack, and you might get more for your money. And then just the basics. The other two things that you're going to need that are kind of not like your basic tools are some paper shred. You can get that at Dollar Tree as well. And then these little stickers, and you can use any small stickers because we're going to show you a little tip on what we're going to use those for. Everything else, paper trimmer, scissors, curling ribbon, things like that, you probably already have in your stash or you can find pretty easily. I'll link almost everything possible in this video that we use. I'll link it below in my Amazon storefront, so you can just go over there, click, and you'll be able to shop and find all the products. I'm even gonna try to find, which I've been able to find a lot of the Hot Buy paper pads, and she used the cutest one. She's gonna take you through them really quick here, and I'll try to link those in my shop as well. So let's go ahead and get started with this super easy tutorial, and Bree's gonna go ahead and create one of these now. So you're gonna start out with a piece of scrapbook paper or decorative paper. And when I say scrapbook paper, let me address this again because I've had a few questions. When I say scrapbook paper and I show you the paper pads we showed you right now, it is decorative design cardstock. If it is ever regular copy paper or printer paper weight, I will say that in the video. But most everything that we use and that I use in my projects is scrapbook paper, which is cardstock. So I just wanted to address that. And again, if it's ever not cardstock, I'll tell you in the video specifically. So anyways, as you can see, Bree is just punching this piece of 6x7 scrapbook paper. And this is the perfect size for those nail polishes. And she's just following, again, the directions on the punch board, which is super easy and user-friendly. And once again, yes, I'm the camera woman, so I apologize for the struggle of the kind of shakiness here. It does get better in a minute. But she's almost done here. It's so easy. She just like slammed so many of these out, and she had a lot of fun doing it because you get to use so much of your paper that you maybe think that you'll never use. So it's fun, and then each one has a different decorative print on it. So now you just see her using the little notch feature. And again, the reason we're kind of just going through this is because, and not really taking the time to show you exactly how to use this thing, is because when you get it, if you buy it, it's so easy to understand and figure out. She took it out of the package, cut her paper down, and just started making these because it's that easy. So once she's done punching this, she's going to go ahead and glue it together, and then I'm going to show you what we do, a couple little tips that we do to make this super, super luxurious and cute. So just like last time, she's folding on her score lines, and she's going to add her adhesive, and we're using ATG tape. Use some double-sided adhesive, just make sure it's strong, and just put plenty on there because this is what holds your little candy box together. So in about, a couple seconds here, you're going to see the shape coming together. So you just fold that down, and then you flip this one and just slap it down right there. So this is a little longer, like I said, longer than the little chubby size, because again, we're going to put the nail polish in there. So just like in the last video, she's going to take 2 pieces of the curling ribbon, about the length of her mat, which I think is 18 inches, and just snip some off, one, strip for each side. And she's just going to tie it on there. You just take some of the paper shred, just a little bit, and put it in there, just so there's a little bit more filler inside the little candy box. And then after you put the nail polish in, just stick some more shred on top. And I think it just makes it look more luxurious and just like more artsy. So then, of course, just take your ribbon and tie your other end. There's no more glue necessary. And as soon as she's done tying this ribbon, I'm going to show you something. Well, she's going to show you something that she thought was a great idea to let the people know what color nail polish is inside. So we found these little fabric stickers, and they're just little white stickers at the Dollar Tree, and she took a little dab of that nail polish and just put a little bit on each of the stickers and cut them like in thirds. And then she just made sure she put the lid on really, really, really tight back on the nail polish, and this is what they look like. But you can really use any white sticker for this. And then she's just going to go ahead and put this on the inside of her little candy box, just in case people are curious as to the colors, just in case they want to get like a different color for each person that they're doing a stocking stuffer for, or a little favor gift. So she just sticks it right there, and now they know that there's like a little peach color in there, and the other one has like that sparkly purplish like fuchsia pink. So that's our little tip. This is the cute little nail polish favor, all dolled up and so adorable, and it was so easy. And she mass produced a bunch of these, and here they all are. So those are the beautiful little nail polish favors that my sister Bree made with the girly, cute scrapbook paper and the We Are Memory Keepers punch board. And they're just so adorable. I can't wait to display these at the craft fair. So Bree's going to be pricing these at $3 each at the craft fair. So that is, you know, the price that we're going to go ahead and price them at for our craft fair. But you can price them whatever you feel. The great thing about these is you can totally take the idea, make it your own, create whatever you want, throw some candy in there, do whatever. Just get some of that paper shred so it's nice and chubby and cute. And again, make it your own. Put your own creation into it. And so we just really want to thank you so much for watching this video. And I really, really would like to thank each and every one of you for your sweet feedback and comments and support. I just appreciate it so much. So again, I'm going to link my Amazon storefront so you can shop the video. Everything we used here, I'm going to find as much as possible and link it below for you. And you know, if you have any questions, as always, please leave me a comment. I try my hardest to read. I read every single one of them, but I try my hardest to answer questions and get back to everybody. So again, thank you so much. If you like the craft fair videos and you want to see more, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'd love for you to follow me on Instagram. It'll be linked below as well. And I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.